Hello friends. Welcome to bstreviews.com. What is passive income? Passive income is revenues derived, in which an individual is not proactively involved. When you continue to be paid after the works are done, it's been made use of to specify revenue being made frequently, with little or no initiative for the person getting it. Earning money while you sleep has a stunning ring. Who wouldn't wish to be making some money while having fun with youngsters, or while seeing a video game? According to Wikipedia, when the earner broadens little initiative to grow the revenue. Passive income is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. It is called progressive passive income when the earner expends little effort to grow the income. Example of passive earnings consist of rental income and any type of business activities which the earner does not materially get involved. Why passive income exists? Anything much better than making money while you sleep. Would not you like to wake up with an inflow of money creeping right into your bank account? We are to give generously as well as live life on our own terms, due to the freedom passive income provides. There are a variety of other methods. You can generate easy income online. Undoubtedly it takes some time, as well as regular spending to build up your portfolio. Usually, a lot of passive concepts require you to put in a great deal of work to produce easy earnings. You'll require to purchase an asset that creates passive earnings for you. It's been made use of to specify income being gained consistently with little or no initiative. So we should try the options of passive income. It helps us in difficult times and make our life easier. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends. Please do like, subscribe and comment. Hit bell icon to get notification.